welcome back to my channel. I'm Ella Duringer, and today I'm going to tell you what you have to know before you get yourself a lovebird. So I have a lovebird myself, and his name is Sherlock, here. And I just got him 2 months ago, and now I'm going to tell you all the facts you would need to know. So, if you have a bird, it doesn't have to be a lovebird. You have to go to them every day. First, you think it's easy, but you have to imagine maybe every day going to school, and after that you go home and have to play with them, even though if you're tired or if you're sleepy. So you have to consider that. And also, every other day, you should clean their cages, because if not, it will be really dirty and there will be bacteria. And also, what they cannot eat at any circumstances is avocado and chocolate. It's really, really poisonous to them, and if they eat it, they might die. And so the voice of a lovebird isn't that loud, but it's like kind of a little bit loud. So here's Sherlock. So they don't normally make sound, only if they really, really want to play or if they're stressed out, as you can see, or if they're like really happy. So just now Sherlock squeaked because he was like really happy. So yeah, so it's not that loud, but it's a little loud. And also, I've taught my bird to do a lot of tricks, which I'm going to show you at the end of the video. So they're also really good learner, and they're also really smart. If you show them a trick maybe twice or 3 times, if it's like a simple trick, they will know it and they will do it. But you have to have some treats for them. So for my lovebird, I give him like the special seed that he likes, and they will then be the treats. And every time if he do a trick right, he'll get it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you some tricks he knows. Okay, let's go. So now I'm going to show you 2 tricks that he knows. So this is the first trick. And he's going to knock the snake down. Here, look.